This video is all about myofascial ball rolling. Myofascial ball rolling is something you can do at home, and all you really need is a lacrosse ball or a tennis ball and the ability to get on and off the floor. So ideally you would put this inside of a long sock so as you move around it doesn't roll away. You'll see so in a minute. Usually myofascial ball rolling is done anywhere from 5 all the way to 20-25 minutes. You don't want to stay on one spot for too long as it can cause bruising or potentially shift things that shouldn't be shifted. So when you're doing this, make sure it never goes over the spine. We're going to be working on the scapula. All right, place it right about this area of your shoulder, and then make sure your hips are straight and flat on the ground. When you come back over, you want to keep your palms facing up, and you can just kind of move around a bit in this area. By bending your knees, you are increasing the pressure on the area. If it's too much, you can bring your feet flat on the ground, or if you'd prefer more pressure, you can go into a small bridge. From here, with palms facing up, you can always make more movements to get deeper into the scapula. You can also bring your arm up and pull with the other hand if it's a little bit too intense to get into other areas. Move around from side to side by moving your hips and knees to get into other areas that you might find. If you find a good spot, just stay there and count to, let's say, 40. I believe it takes around 30 seconds to activate the Golgi tendon organ, which is something that can cause tightness in the fascia itself. Move around, experiment, do a bunch of stuff. If you have any questions, let me know. But that's pretty much the basics on myofascial ball rolling. I hope these videos are a great addition to your wellness routine. If you are in the Lancaster, Pennsylvania area and want to schedule a session with Tranquil Therapy, please visit our website in the description below. Until next time.